Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nikki and welcome to my CardioClear 7 review video. Today I will tell you about a cardiovascular support formula crafted for those like you struggling with heart problems. As always, I have taken great care to understand the details of this supplement for your sake. I have studied this formula, its benefits, etc. to check if this could be the solution to your daunting heart problems. Now we know there is no lasting reprieve from heart health problems today for us humans. Our lifestyle, diets, and even environmental conditions add to this burden day in and day out. But all of this gets serious attention only when it turns out either dangerous or debilitating. Often, the causes that lead to heart problems are not even recognized in time. What makes heart health problems scary to the onlooker is how they can wipe away a seemingly healthy human life in moments. Or, even worse, some are left bedridden and dependent on others due to stroke, paralysis, etc., which follow heart failure. So, Nutrioma Labs, a prominent American nutrition brand, crafted the CardioClear 7 formula for you. This supplement combines potent ingredients taken from nature to support the heart naturally. It will enhance heart health and functions as well as other peripheral systems of the body. The supplement does this with the power of organic ingredients it contains. The manufacturers have included 3 specific ingredients known together as the CSP compound. These ingredients are CoQ10 or coenzyme Q10, which is a strong antioxidant. It prevents the accumulation of LDL cholesterol in the blood vessels. This will stem plaque formation, which leads to many problems of the heart. CoQ10 also rejuvenates mitochondria to improve cell energy productions. The second of the CSP ingredients is Shilajit, a blackish powder extracted from mountain rocks. It has been predominantly used by Indians as it enhances energy levels and mental alertness. Shilajit also has visible heart health benefits. PQQ disodium salt is the third among these ingredients. This is another important ingredient for anti-inflammatory properties and plaque prevention. Alongside the CoQ10, it multiplies the energy, vitality, and functionality of the heart. Numerous studies have proven how the CSP compound is one of the most anti-inflammatory agents there is. Now, how it helps combat cardiovascular problems is sleek. Most of the heart's problems originate with LDL cholesterol and an excess of free radical production. Aging has a deleterious impact on the mitochondria, which slowly fall behind in burning up fat. The free radicals oxidize the LDL cholesterol, leading to the formation of plaque. This further deteriorates when, over time, such accumulation impedes blood circulation. Such blockages can strain the heart, leading to its failure. This is not to mention the barrage of other problems that accompany it. This complicates the situation as your body will struggle for energy and vitality. So, the powerful CSP compound will prevent the accumulation of LDL cholesterol or plaque in your circulatory system. CoQ10 can even sprout new mitochondrial growth to support accelerated fat burn. It enhances mitochondrial functions and energy production to burn up the excess fat content. Further, the CardioClear 7 will eliminate free radicals from your body to assure absolute safety. You'll be rid of inflammations and other damages caused by free radicals as a bonus. Again, as I mentioned before, this boosts your energy, vitality, disease resistance, etc. All of this will help keep the heart pumping healthily with no blockages anywhere in the system. The additional energy and vitality will add to your overall health and well-being and so on. So the following are some of the main benefits of this formula. Normalized blood pressure, lower blood cholesterol, excellent cardiovascular health, wider distribution of nutrients in the body, better energy levels, improved immunity and disease resistance, better cognitive functions and mental clarity, and a whole lot more. All with just a single capsule of CardioClear 7 that contains all that any man or woman needs. These capsules are safe, easy to take, and do not need further modifications to suit you. Now, since this formula is made in an FDA certified facility, you can be assured of health and safety. Its ingredients are third-party tested despite their trusted sources. And the manufacturing itself follows GMP protocols under strict supervision. So, as the customer reviews say, the CardioClear 7 formula has little to no side effects. And you can get the CardioCleo 7 formula today. It is available exclusively on the official website and nowhere else. There are sellers on the Amazon and other platforms offering the CardioCleo 7 formula, which are all mere imitations of the original. So how can you be sure it is the official website? For one, you can click on the link given in the description below. Also, check for the super cheap offers as well as the whopping 365 days satisfaction guarantee only found on the official website. Think about it, a whole year to try out the CardioCleo 7 formula risk-free. Make sure you visit the CardioCleo 7 site right now. I'll catch you on the other side.